Hello everybody and welcome to day 7 of my Vlogmas series. Today I'm going to be setting up my bullet journal for the week of December the 7th through to the 13th, and I'm going to be using my leftovers from my weekly planner that you may have seen yesterday. So this kit is called Christmas Market by Harriet Wright Designs. It's no longer available because it was part of her October mystery, but she might be, I don't know if she has plans to re-release this maybe next year. But yeah, I absolutely love it. And as you can see, I've used a lot of the stickers in my weekly plan with me. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it in the cards so that you can go and have a look at how I use the majority of the pages. But I do have a lot of these stickers left over, including a couple of full boxes as well. I've got some checklists, I've got a lot of deco, and I have a full box left. So I'm going to be pulling these into my daily spreads in my bullet journal. So if we go to December, these pages have actually been set up in my December bullet journal setup. Again, I'll link the video, and I'm trying to skip past those gift list, and then I went into my dailies. So I'll just quickly run through. So I got my actual dates wrong, but basically this is the kit that I used that in my plan with me previously. It was by Poppy Willow Co, and I used a whole load of those little stickers to mark the first 6 days of December, and just as many as I could. But then I realised this is actually what I've got left. So I used all the full boxes, all the checklists, a lot of the washi. I have a couple of checklists left. I've got a lot of the headers and the little things left because I didn't use those in either of these. A couple of half boxes, quarter box, and some check boxes. Only a couple of icons. I don't really go on Pinterest, so can't see me using that. Recycling is actually this week, and I'm in the UK, so dollar signs, I don't know, I don't really use them. I've got a couple of flags and some dots and teardrops, and then I've got these sort of stickers as well, which feels very sad that I didn't use the plan sticker, seeing as I am a planner girl. But anyway, I might have to put that back in my weekly spread maybe. So yeah, I was going through that, and I was doing a lot of doodling. Like this Sunday I took 3 pages, and I was doing a lot of journaling, just writing about my day and things like that. And I kind of realised that actually it says 219, and I've actually only got up to 248.6 really. And that means I have 26 pages left, which is how many days are left of the year. So -1. So I need to be a little bit more strategic in how I'm using my bullet journal for journaling, as it were. So I need to be a little bit prescriptive, but thankfully Harriet's kits come with a load of checklists. So I want to pull in a checklist for each day, and then lots and lots of space for me to do some journaling, maybe a little thing for dinner rather than writing about it maybe, and then yeah, and then just throwing in some deco. So that is what I'm going to be doing today with you guys. So if we start here, let's put the piece of deco for the almost like the date cover, as it were. And because this deco is nice and small, I'll be able to get my days in. This is the pen that I got in my advent calendar yesterday. So yeah, I have the Paper Chase 24 Days of Stationery advent calendar, and I believe this was actually it might have been Sunday. Sorry, it was Saturday, day 5. So yeah. So let's do I'm not precious about which pen I use in my bullet journal. I have the Simply Gilded ones, which are gorgeous, and I do love those, but I will happily use a ballpoint pen in my book. I don't mind the feel of the paper or anything like that. It doesn't bother me. Obviously if it does, then this wouldn't be a good pen for you. So Monday is going to be the 7th. Okay, and let's add a checklist. I'm just going to go across the way, I think, just for a few things that I want to either get done that day or need to happen. So I need to iron the kids' uniforms. I also need to film my December daily walkthrough. I need to set my teacher planner. And I should be getting a parcel tomorrow. Parcel question mark? And I think that's it. I'll leave space. But I do need to make sure that I remember that it is Matthew's Christmas party. So these are similar plans. I need to put it in here just to remind me, like the writing of it reminds me. So that has a party. That doesn't mean I can't be cute with it. So yeah, so I need to pack him a little party bag thing of there. So that should give me plenty of space to do, let's just do plenty of space to write things as they happen. And then I've got my little thing for my meal, and then yeah, lots of space for journaling, and if I need an icon I can use it. Okay, so I think this is how I'm going to be doing it for the rest of the week so that I know I've got space. So deco, Tuesday, oh, the 8th, Wednesday the 9th, this is Famalam, I'm doing a quiz. That'll be on my to-do list. Let's do meal tracker on each day, and then checklist. These are nice. These checklists actually fit in the boxes perfectly. Like 6 boxes. Cute. Cool. That's the space. Okay. Deco. Let's go and draw my pen. Let's do the car. Okay. So that's Thursday, the 10th. Friday, 11th. So these need event stickers because it is parents' evening and Christmas jumper day. I think I might send Matthew in his Christmas jumper for his party as well. And by the time this video goes up, I would have or would not have done that. So I'll let you know in the little, I'll just write a little asterisk there to let you know. So, parents' evening, and then Christmas jumper day. I do hope my school do it. I might just come in this Christmas jumper on Friday anyway. Don't know. One of our nurture English and maths teacher has already been bringing out the Christmas attire, so I feel like we all will be able to follow his lead and have a lot of Christmas decorations. So meal trackers, and there we go. And then the weekend, even though I normally want more space, but I just don't. Do I have the space? 24, 25. It's like it's 26 pages. I don't know. Just gonna be mindful. If I need extra space, I will use extra space. That's fine. I'll use these giant flower ones for Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday the 12th, oh gosh, and then Sunday the 13th. Saturday we are going to play D&D. It'll be our last D&D session before Christmas, and hopefully not the last one of the year, but yeah. But yeah, and then Sunday is our fellowships Christmas video going live, so hopefully we can celebrate that somehow. Okay, so checklists on these days. These are more so for like, oh no, yeah, just like what I would love to get done that day. And they're not necessarily, you know, I've been wanting to do a lot of baking on the weekends. So the last 2 weekends I've done some fun baking stuff. So yeah, so that's how it's looking now. Obviously I could fill in my to-do list here for Monday. I do need to write a card for someone. So yeah, yeah, that's it really. This is how I'm going to set it up, and then obviously, as you see with my Poppy Willow Co, just bringing in stickers where I need to, whether it doesn't need a full box, doesn't need a quarter box. Can I add some extra detail? Obviously got a lot of very, very cute deco that I can pull in and sprinkle throughout. Try and use as much of this up as possible. Yeah, I'm not very good at using headers though. I could have put a to-do header on top of each of these checklists, or a today header would have been more apt. But I just don't want that. I don't want that taking up my space. So I do need to think of a third way that I can use these kits, because there's still lots and lots of stickers that I could use. But yes, this is my setup for the week. Very, very simple, but hopefully it will keep me in this journal for the whole of the month, because I'd hate to like cut into my new journal when it's not even the new year, but I don't know. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe to be able to see more and be inspired to use your journal in different ways. But that's all for now, and I will see you tomorrow for another video as part of Vlogmas. Thank you, bye!